I was very appreciative of the role that a round table of Minnesota legal experts played in preparing me. When I was back one weekend in Minneapolis, I assembled quite a few eminent legal scholars in Minnesota, and their input played significantly into my opening statement and my questioning. I was very satisfied with that, and of course, Solicitor General Kagan, I think, has been doing a terrific job in showing a very deep and nuanced understanding of the role of a Supreme Court justice and of our law. And she agreed with me on a lot of my critiques of the Roberts Court, not in so many words, on the actual specific critiques and not as they were. She has to be careful not to be critical of the justices that she will be serving with if she is voted onto the Supreme Court. But there were a number of instances where she agreed with me, and in a sense was agreeing that the Roberts Court had been both an activist court and kind of had done it improperly, like in Citizens United, by answering questions that weren't asked in the case. I mean, when a case gets to the Supreme Court, there's been a trial where the facts have been determined, and it isn't the role of the Supreme Court to determine facts, and that's why it can't change what the issue is in the case. It has to deal with the case that it's presented and the questions that are asked within the case. And Citizens United, which has granted corporations the right to spend as much money as they want on our elections, they did just that. They completely changed the issues in this, not allowing any evidence in for the different issue that they raise. And 80% of Americans are against this decision, which is basically that corporations can spend as much money as they want whenever they want in our elections. And people know instinctively that this is going to completely change the balance in our elections and overwhelm individuals. And it's corporations now have a right to to form PACs and make issue ads and make ads on behalf of candidates, but they have to do it in a constrained way. This opens up all the floodgates of their money, and people know this was a bad decision.